One thing that I enjoy about gardening is allowing some of my lettuce and different produce to go to seed. They bring in so many pollinators. So right here is I have some romaine lettuce and various types of lettuce. But what I often do is I intersow tomato or pepper plants in those. They are bringing in my pollinators. And as they bring in my pollinators, they get a chance to have some food, but they're also hanging around. So when my tomatoes and peppers start to blossom and bloom, the pollinators will also migrate to those areas as well. So you see some beautiful blossoms, but here you also see that some of them have started to close up. That means that they've been pollinated and they're starting to form their seed pods. Now, this one is still not ready yet. So over here, I have some that are starting to turn brown and they're dried. I'll take those seed pods and I'll open it up. But I notice that this one is still kind of wet. So I don't want to harvest it when it's wet. I want to make sure that it's dry. I also have some carrot seeds and I have some beet seeds here. And these carrot seeds I allowed to dry on the stem as well as the beet seeds before I cut them. Or I can just simply cut them when they're slightly green and allow them to dry fully in the greenhouse or any area that has low humidity. So I have a jar here. I'm going to slide some of my beet seeds into this jar. Don't close that jar right away, because if I seal this container and there's still moisture, mold will form. My seeds will they won't be viable for me to be able to plant them in the coming year. This right here is arugula, or larger quantities will take my seeds either in a bag or a plastic container and I will break them up. And knowing that I'm getting hundreds of seeds just in a small little stalk, you always want to make sure that you label your containers. And I'll put the year on it because that's very important. And then once I do that, I'll just transfer those seeds into this bag. But the key thing is once again, I do not close the bag. I leave the bag still open because that will allow all the moisture to escape. When I allow things to go to seed, my pollinators get plenty of food. And then at the same time, I know that I'll have seeds for next year to be able to add seeds to my garden. So why don't you try doing this? Happy gardening.